Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things, including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I am doing my shameful and I'm very embarrassed to do this video. It is a repotting of my cactus. Oh my gosh, so I've had this plant for over 5 years now and I have never repotted it. So please join along me in this pathetic repotting that I am about to do. I know this plant is going to flower. My cat opened my door and she hit my pot. And she just finessed her way. So yeah guys, so if you're interested in seeing me repotting this mammoth overgrown infrastructure, this is what it is, this is its own infrastructure, then keep on watching. Okay, so welcome back. Before we get into the repotting, really quickly, I just want to give a backstory on this plant. I purchased this plant in the Dominican Republic in the year 2014, and many of us know, if you've traveled, that you cannot bring like certain plants and whatnot into the States, but I managed to bring this plant into America. What I did was I just separated the entire plant and I spread them out, like, so basically I packed this plant bare rooted, and I spread them around like all over my different suitcases, my carry-ons, just to ensure like if they take one, that's fine, but they're not going to take the entire plant. So I managed to get this entire plant into the States, and I've been growing it ever since. Also, another thing I should point out about this plant is I'm going to show you. So when I originally purchased this plant, as you can see, this very prominent just like point of new growth. I've realized every year there's a new just break in the growth. So when I purchased this plant, it was this tall. Okay, and it goes for pretty much a lot of these. I also have some African milk trees that are not inside of this pot. They're inside of my aloe vera that's behind me, if you can see it over here. So anyways, like I was saying, so every new break is a year. So I've had this plant for 5 years, and you can see, like, for example, in this tree, this cactus, you see one, this is this year 2 with me, year 3, year 4, year 5, and they also kind of grow out horizontally too. So I never paid attention to the horizontal growth. I've just paid attention to the vertical growth. And I also have this, I'm not sure what kind of just like aloe plant this is, but it's pretty cool. And as you can see, it's outgrown this pot so much that it's literally growing out of it. And this year, for the first time ever, it flowered. It gave me these beautiful just like purplish flowers. They were stunning. And this is what's left of the stem of the flowering portion. And the inside, I'm not sure if you can even see, I'm not sure what kind of aloe plant this is too, but it's full of aloe plants, different kind of aloe plants. This zebra sort of looking aloe plant. If you know the names of any of these cacti or aloes, please let me know down below, because I'm too lazy to research, but it's awesome to know the different kinds. So let me just give you guys an up close view. This is one kind. This is the other kind. Let me give you a view from here. This is this zebra plant. And then this is this other looking aloe. And I had other kinds in here that you're probably, I'll show you as I'm unpotting this. But yeah, I'm pretty far into this video in. So I'm gonna get into the repotting. I'm gonna pan you guys down, and I'm not sure what size this pot is, but I'm gonna give it a upgrade, a major upgrade that it definitely needs. So see you guys in internet time. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is as best of an aerial view as I can give you. I'm trying my best to get this entire plant into frame, but it obviously doesn't care to cooperate. Yeah, so this plant obviously doesn't care to cooperate, so this is the best I can do. Please be careful when you're repotting any sort of cacti, because these have very sharp thorns that nick you. So again, be careful. I'm just gonna go for it because why the heck not? So this is just like some old soil that I made for a previous plant that I previously made for another plant, and I'm going to use in conjunction with some regular old soil mix that I made it very cactusy, a cactusy, succulenty sort of mix. So let's do that. Pour like most of this soil in here. So the reason I'm just focusing on the soil first is I want the soil to be ready and prepped for me, so I don't gotta worry about just having this plant just sitting out. The exact soil content mixture I'm gonna leave it below, but this just has some peat moss that I'm going to try to make it less peaty. Just a little bit of peat moss, soil, a lot of soil, a lot of orchid bark, a lot of perlite, and just a little bit of peat moss. Just literally the tiniest. I'm switching out a lot of the peat moss soil. So this is pretty much going to be my soil mixture, which is, you couldn't see any of that, could you? So this is going to be my soil mixture. Just soil, some sand, a lot of perlite, some orchid bark. Transfer this because I can use this for a more of a succulenty plant versus a dry plant like this cactus. So this is going to be my soil mixture. Alright, I'm going to set this aside. And I'm going to lay this plant on its side. So let me do this. I cannot even wrap my head around the root system of this plant. Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of myself. This has 0 drainage holes, guys, by the way. Oh, cool. It's a Costa Farms plant. I never paid attention. It's a Costa Farms plant that's sold in the DR. So, let me do my best to hold this plant. Very shallow roots, but very healthy white roots, so I'm happy about that. So I'm not gonna make this a very deep plant, because as you can see, this plant right here, this aloe plant right here, wants to just spread its wings, and I'm gonna give it to it. So this is one of the unlucky non-survivors of this mix arrangement. For a 5-year-old plant, this does not have much like dead casualties. Like, this plant is doing really good, looks really good. Oh, and I just broke an entire piece off. I'm not gonna stress, I'm just gonna literally just stick this entire thing inside of soil. I ain't tripping, I'm just stick this entire thing inside of soil. So things like this happen, so just be careful. Let's not let it happen to any more, especially not this big popper right here. So I'm gonna loosen the roots, guys, and I'm doing this while I'm leaving the plant to lay down, because I don't want to do anything while it's standing vertically. I'll do everything just like horizontally to avoid any more breakage of my suckies or cactuses. This is a very sandy mixture. The roots are white and healthy roots. I barely water this plant, honestly. It goes through serious droughts. You see the bottom. Nice. Very healthy roots. I'll try to zoom in. And I also am the one, like, I made this whole soil mixture on my own, because like I said, I brought this plant from DR and I had to pack it bare rooted. So this is just regular soil mix with some gravel. And now I changed up the soil mix a lot, obviously. So I am gonna add some of this soil into it. I don't want to confuse the plant too much. I think of it kind of like cats. You can't change their litter all of a sudden. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, but don't listen to me, I'm just talking bullshit. So don't get poked by like needles and shit. So I'm just gonna just drop this in here like this. Honestly. And I'm just gonna fill this up with just soil around the sides. There's not much I can really do for this plant. And again, like, I'm putting it in the terracotta pot because this was a ceramic pot, so it's good that I have this pot. But I'm gonna do terracotta pot for the added drainage. So hopefully this plant is gonna be happy in its new home. And I did not forget about the casualty. I'm just gonna stick it inside of the soil, like, boom, right here. That's it. Not worried about it anymore. It has a new home. Just clean up all of this ugliness, and enjoy your plant's new home. And I hope your plant enjoys its new home. I'm gonna give this plant a thorough soak through, and that's pretty much it, guys. This is the end product. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of me repotting this very old 5-year-old cacti and aloe little family. What are these things called again? Yeah. So yeah guys, anyways, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video of me repotting my old 5-year-old cactus aloe that smuggled, illegal, not illegal anymore, neutralized plant. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me being brave enough to try to get this plant in this country and getting it in this country. If you like this video, also in general, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here. And share this video. Please share. Subscribe. And thank you to everyone who's been subscribing. Thank you to everyone joining the kooky fam. You're really awesome. And I hope that you're enjoying the videos that I'm making, because I'm really enjoying making these videos for you all. And yeah. What are some like little plants that you've pretty much rescued and they've been making you proud? Because this for me, it makes me really proud. I feel really proud of myself that you don't have to give your plants too much and they just grow, you know. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.